Alright, good morning everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having an amazing day, a blessed day. Sorry I didn't upload Thursday. Honestly, I just lost track of time. I kept procrastinating and pretty soon it was too late to edit a video. I was hanging out with Alyssa. We're back on schedule, back on track, and we're gonna see how long I can go without missing an upload. Yeah, today we got I want to hit up 8 locations today, but you guys know how that goes. Definitely need to hit up Sam's Club. Yeah, it's really nice out. Beautiful day. So let's pull some money out of our vending machines. I'm gonna go to some good spots and some bad spots today. The bad spots have been sitting about a month, so there should be a little bit of money in them. But I mean, slow locations are slow locations. You're just gonna have that. It's part of the business. I'm not even a year into this vending machine business. I'm only probably 6. It's probably been about 5 or 6 months that I've had this business, and I'm definitely trying to expand it. I've picked up probably about 5 locations on my own, and yeah, we're just gonna keep rolling with it. Alright, we spent $218 today and 1 cent. Let's go get this money. Alright, just got to location number 2. Alright, just got to number 3. Let's see how it does. Alright, I didn't film in the last location. It was pretty slow, but I just got to the 4th location. They sent me an email saying that it's not taking dollars, so the bill acceptor's probably jammed. Quick, easy fix. Alright, that one was pretty slow. It was probably 20 bucks in there. It was jammed. And this is one of my newer, this is probably the newest machine in my route, and it gives me the most problems. So, go figure. For those of you guys saying, old machines suck, those old reliables will hang in there. Built to last, like a Toyota. To location 5. Alright, you guys saw location number 5. It was alright. It was a monthly collection, so on to number 6. These next 3 should be all really good. Like I said, that location was gonna be pretty hot. That was a very nice stack out of there. I'm running really low on products. I'm basically out of chocolate, but I'm just gonna go to my next location anyways, whatever. Alright, so we're back at the house. We're gonna count up the money we got, and I'm gonna get you guys the totals off 7 locations. Location number 1 made $70.25 after 1 month. Alright, location number 2 made $57.85 after 2 weeks. Location 3 made $38.30 after 1 month. Location 4 made $17 after about 2 weeks because the machine broke down, but it's fixed up now and it should do better. Location number 5 made $60.15, and we got another star note. Alright, location number 6 killed it. It did $116.90, and we also got 2 star notes out of there. And that's after 2 weeks. And the last location, location number 7, did $61.20 after 2 weeks. We got a $5 bill, and we also got a star note. So for the total today on star notes, we got 4 star notes today, and we got 2 bicentennials. Pretty cool. So now we're gonna add up and get you guys the totals. Alright, so today for a grand total off of 7 locations, we made $621.65. I spent about $220, I believe, on product. So minus, it was actually $218, I think. So we profited $203.65 today. If we break that down into an hourly rate, I worked about 6 hours, so divided by 6, it's about 34 bucks an hour. Pretty awesome. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Merch is down in the description if you guys want to check that out. And that's it for me. I love you guys. Peace.